How to fix 403 forbidden error. If you face this issue, it's gonna be a very simple fix. For the first step, you can just use a different browser. But if you're using Brave like me or maybe Chrome or any other browser, just go to the browser settings. Here in settings, go to privacy and security. Then here, just go to delete browsing data. And you can select everything, but for the last 7 days, delete your cache. But if you're facing the problem on a specific website, then what you can do is here in privacy and security, go to sites and shields data, like site and shield settings. Here, search for the website you're having problem with. For example, Instagram. If it's done, just hit on Instagram, and here you can just delete data. Hit on delete data. After that, open extensions, go to manage extensions, and just disable every single one of the extensions. This should fix the problem of 403 forbidden error. If this video helps, make sure you give this a like. If you want, you can subscribe. If you don't want your error got fixed, it's fine. And have a great day. I'll see you guys in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Peace out.